15 minutes. This should be an hour 30, and it's our 75 marks. So what I'm going to do quickly, this is a core maths paper, advanced subsidiary. I just couldn't find another test paper, so this is the one I had to go for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through it quickly now with you lot and see which questions are worth the most marks and which ones I can do and not do, because obviously start of A level I might not be able to do some of these. So this one's worth 5, but this question looks like I can do very quickly. 5 marks, 7 marks, 2, 4, 6, 8 marks, 8 marks, 4, 7, 9 marks, Jesus, okay, 2, 4, 6, 10, so 10 marks on this one, 2, 4, 7, 4, there's 8 on this one, 9, interesting, 5, 10, 12, I think this one will have to be one that I have to go for, like very quickly, blitz 2, okay, so I'm going to take a note of these on another piece of paper. So these are page 28, so I'm going to do that and then I'll come back. So I'm back. I think that I can very easily do some of these, just checking. So I think I'm going to start at 2 minutes, and I think I'm going to finish at 17. So let me just get to the page and we'll start. I think I'm going to start here. Yeah, so 5, 4, 3, okay, done, 1, 7, 21, 35, 2 to the 7, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 5, 2 to the 4, kx to the 0, kx to the 1, kx squared, kx cubed, 2 to the 7 is on my calculator, but I'm allowed that, 128 plus 7 times 2 to the 6, 448 kx plus 21 times 2 to the 5 is 672 k squared x squared. We don't count working out here, it's just if we get the answer, we get the answer. 560 k cubed x cubed, okay? So I've done that bit. Coefficient of x cubed is that, so 1890 equals 560 k cubed equals 27 over 8, k equals 1.5, done. So that's the 7 marks there, easy. So that one, divided by that, the remainder is 30. So prove that. So we substitute a 0.5 into these. So 24 times answer to the 3, and then minus 3 times answer is 1.5. Oh no, 1.5, and then plus 0.25a plus b equals 30. So 0.25a plus b equals 28.5. So that means a plus 4b equals 114, easy. Factor of this, find the equation. So minus 1, so we're substituting minus 1, so that is 24 times minus 1. I'm stressing. Times answer cubed times 3 times answer is 21. 21 equals a plus b. Solve that as simultaneous equations. That is, I'm just going to do that on my calculator. 14114. If I get the answer, I get the answer. A equals minus 10. B equals 31, and now find the value of n, find the value of v, done, and find the quadratic factor. So that is x plus 1 and then root 24x cubed minus 10x squared minus 3x plus 31, so that's 24x squared, 24x, oh, wrong place, 24x cubed plus 24x squared minus 34x squared minus 3x minus 34x minus 34x squared minus 34x, 31x plus 31 plus 31, so that is the quadratic factor. Next, come on. Nope, not doing this one. 10, yeah. So find the coordinates of center x, that is 1 and minus 7. exact value of the radius, so that is x minus 1 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals, and then that's 50, so r equals root 50. Y coordinates, a point where C crosses the y axis, so when x is 0, so y plus 7 squared equals 49, so y equals minus 7 plus or minus root 49. Y either equals, that's minus 7, minus 14, or 0. So yeah, those are y coordinates. And find the equation of tangent point O given, we've got the centre and we've got that, so minus 7 minus 0 over 1 minus 2, y equals minus 1 over 7x plus, and then substitute that back in, so 0 equals minus 1 over 7 times 2 plus x plus 2 over 7 equals 7y plus x minus 2 equals 0. If we're being picky, we can do that. Okay, what's the next one? 7. For the first term, geometric sum to infinity of that, so that means that there's x over 1 minus 0.9 equals 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, x equals, on my calculator, 1 minus 0.9 equals 19000. Come find the fifth term, so 19000 times 0.9 to the 5 minus 1 equals, and that is 12465.9, and sum of the first 12 terms, that is 19000 times 1 minus 0.9 to the 12 over 1 minus 0.9 equals 1900 times 1 minus 0.9 to the 12 or 1 minus 0.9. I really hope I'm not counting these wrong. Done. Next one, this one's worth 8, so come. Blah blah blah, give your answer to 12 significant places from the value of y, so that is log 1.01 500, no, 1.01 500 plus 1, that is 625.56. Given that that is out, show that that is out. Okay then, so that's 9x squared plus, oh no, not now, 30x plus 25 over 3x plus 8 equals, and then that's 4, so 9x squared plus 30x plus 25 equals 12x plus 32, 9x squared plus 18x minus 32 is minus 7 equals 0. Come, then solve the equation of that, so I'm going to type into my calculator. And I'll give 9, 18 minus 7 equal to a third, because obviously the other one won't count. Come, next, this one's speed. Come on, speed. Give your answer, find that, or salute, wait, what? I'll solve for that one. Okay, I can do that one. Cos x plus 70 equals 3 over 4. Nope, inverse cos 3 over 4. 180 minus answer minus 70, 68.6, I think. Cos answer plus 70. Nope, I've F'd it. No. Cos 3 over 4. 360 plus answer minus 70, so 331.4, and inverse cos 3 over 4, 360 plus answer minus 70. What? Inverse cos, chill, yeah, 360 minus answer minus 70. Okay, and that is 248.6. Come, this one will take way too long. 7x squared of 5 minus 2x to 0.5, so that means your times that's 35x squared minus 14x to 2.5, so you integrate that, so that's 70, integrate, and 14 times 2.5, I don't know, oh yeah, working out marks don't count, that's my challenge. 70x minus 35x to the 1.5 equals 0. So x equals, come on, give me a number, give me a number, give me a number, 4. So x equals 4 and y equals 112. Calm. So use calculus, done that. Find exponent of point B. So point B would be 7x squared 5 minus 2x to 0.5. So where that crosses the axis, so I'll type into my calculator. Equals 0. And what does it give out? 6.25. Okay then. And now what are we doing? Using the finite region, show that, blah, 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 partial through that. Integration, find the region of R. Okay, so that is that part there and that part there. So that means that is 112 and that is 1.25 or 2.25. Oh no. Yeah, 2.25. 2.25. So that is 112 times 2.25 minus f of 7x squared 5 minus 7 root x, and that is 4 and 6.25 equal to 2 decimal places as 79.77. Perfect. Oh, that's the end. So, oi, I'm blitzing this. We're gonna come back to that one. That one is way too long to do. Okay, I don't have time for this. Okay, this one. Blah blah blah. Find z. Okay then. So that is 25 times pi times degrees equals 25 times pi times 0.7 times 180 over pi over 360, 8.75. Okay then. And area of the flag, so area of the whole flag, so that is 0.7 minus that, so that is half AB sine C plus 8.75 equals 0.7 times 180 over pi, 180 minus answer, half times 7 times 5 times sine answer plus 8.75. Easy. So 20.02, calm. And perimeter of that, so that is 7 plus 5 plus the circumference plus the cos rule equals, so that is 0.7 times 180 over pi, 180 minus that answer, so then it is root 7 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 7 times 5 times cos answer plus, and then 7 plus 5 plus, and then 10 times pi times 0.7 times 180 over pi over 360 equals 26.79. Okay, cool. Next, done that one, this one, cool. So now substitute 2 and 6 into the equation. So 2 plus 2 to the 0.5 over 4 is 2 plus 2, oh, 0.5, 1.5. 1.5 2 is 2. And then substitute in 6. That gives 5.5656854249, and we convert that gives 4 root 2. And our trapezium rule, so we do the trapezium of all of these, so that is 0, wait no, that one is 4 times 2 over 2 plus 2 plus 4 root 2 over 2 times 4, and then plus 4 root 2 plus 6 root 3 over 2 times 4, which is 51.412. Okay, that's question 1. And what do we have left? We've done this one, done this one, done that one. Do I have one more left? One more, and however many, how long do we have left? Okay, so that's, no, we've done that one. It's this one. Okay then, so that is 6 minus 6 sine squared x minus 5 equals 6 sine squared x plus sine x. So that is 0 equals 12 sine squared x plus sine x, and that's minus 1, so that's 1 minus 1. Then solve that in my calculator, and that gives 12, 1 minus 1. So that is a quarter, and that is minus a third, so that means that we will be getting those answers. I'll substitute in a quarter, so that is 14.4775 divided by 180 over pi, 0.252. Then sine that, 180 minus answer, 165 divided by 180 over pi, 2.89, and then inverse sine minus 1 over 3 times minus 1, 180 plus answer, 1.99. I think I've got this. Divided by 180 over pi is 3.48, and inverse sine minus a third times minus 1, 360 minus answer, 304.52 divided by 180 over pi, and I just blitzed that. Calm. I just blitzed through that. Okay, I have a minute left to be fair, so I think I need a mark scheme. So I really hope I finished. I might have just effed it. So Vision World, Core Maths 2018, download the mark scheme, bap. Easy. Results. Okay then. Well, if I get it wrong, then it's good that if the thingamajiggy is there, working out marks. But if I get the answer, I get the answer. So green pen the thing. So 2 and 4 root 2. Yes, sir. 51.412. Yes, sir. I give you bare paper for something that shouldn't take that much. So it is 128 plus 448kx plus 672k squared x squared plus 560k squared x squared. Yep. And k equals 1.5. Yay. By the way, I am reading this off the mark scheme and then comparing it to my own answers. I'm just reading my answers out. So way 1, use that. Well, that's a stupid way, but you just, I meant to prove it. Yeah, I did prove it, strangely enough. B, another equation. A plus b equals 21. Yep, I have actually written that down. A is minus 10, b is 31. Yep. And then obtain 24x squared minus 34x plus 31. Yes. So that is all A there. To be fair, well, I'm telling you something like Asian, so you did expect this when you clicked on the video. So 26.79. So yes. Area of the flag 20.02. That's a pretty nice number, to be fair. And 8.75. Perfection. I feel like next time I won't do like this kind of paper. I'll do an actual A-level paper with year 2 stuff, because core 3 and core 4 might be a bit of a madness. So 1 minus 7 root 50 0 minus 14 and x plus 7y minus 2. Perfection. I'll do a core 3 paper next time, but this was way too easy to actually be a challenge. 19000. Yep. 71. Oh, B 12465.9 and C 7176. Yep. I'll do a core 3 next time. Or core 1 without calculator. That calculator can clutch. 625.56. Yep. 4 and a third. Yep. And this might be where it F's up a bit. 248.6 and 331.4. Yep, I didn't do it in that order, but yeah. 0.253. For God's sake. Oh, you're taking the mic. Okay. Yeah, that should be a 3, so that's 4. I swear to God. Oh, for God's sake. I got 4 and 112, yeah. 625, 6.25, yeah, 79. Did I use extra paper? The area 79.77. Yep. Oh, that's made me sad now. For God's sake. You had one job. Okay, calm. So that is 74 out of 75. Well done. And if we're looking at what are we looking at? We're looking at the marks grade boundaries. Maths A level core 2 paper. So let's just look at the grade boundaries. Control F, math. Okay then, so this is what are we looking at? We're not looking at further maths. This definitely wasn't further maths. This was normal maths. So further pure maths, nope. Further pure maths, nope. This was just normal maths. Can I just have normal mathematics? Control F, maths. It wasn't, no, it wasn't. This keeps on coming up with further pure maths, but I just didn't do further pure maths. Nope, this isn't. Okay, found it. Okay then. So, I don't think. Okay, let's do this way. If this was an AS paper, then I got a very high A. Yeah, I cleared an A, like I jumped an A. If this was A level, 127 plus 336. I think I did 336 divided by 4. I also went clear because an A star was 72% and I destroyed that. So thanks for watching. That was a Jesus.